Oh. Oh, it's so bad. Naughty.
We are destroying the toaster oven. That's what happens when two rednecks get over to the old. Oh.
This is gonna be harder than I expected.
Ah, that's what she said. Oh. Oh, he destroyed me. I turned that first. Oh. There we go.
Yeah.
Check out these.
Man, woman power.
Check out those legs.
Get that. I broke the stick. Whenever I swung at it, it like split. I was like, oh no. Alright, Lamar, get you another stick.
Want me to get you one of the bats from down there?
Yeah.
I'll go get you. Okay.
That works. That's what you call a heavy brick. Brittany, can I use that bat? I want to tear it up. Oh, you dropped your balls. You just dropped his balls. Okay. Oh no, my boobies. Oh. Oh, it's so bad. Naughty. Slow-mo.
Touch me, Daddy. That's out.
would blow off some steam.
Oh yeah. Hey, he knocked your knob off.
Oh, I was like, what?
Yeah.
I was thinking Brittany was about to kill me.
Y'all should smash the like button like we smashed this microwave. How dirty can you toaster oven?
Yeah. Make his bread crispy.
Oh god. So loud.
Mm.
Oh god.
Hit it as hard as you can. As hard as you can hit it.
I loosened up its butt.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
You like that, don't you? You dirty, whatever you are. Toaster oven. Dirty toaster oven.
Wow. Uh-oh.
Oh. There we go. Oh yeah.
Shipping.
Oh yeah. Now let's bust the glass. I'm kidding, let's not do that.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash that. We smashed that toaster. Oh yeah. Continue watching other videos.
Oh look, we got some food.
Get it in that hole.
Yeah, look at that food in there. Oh yeah. Nipples.
That was fun.
Mm-hmm.
Home run.
Home run.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm good. I had to get out some energy.
Enjoy.
Anger.
That's what she said.
Ah.